Está escrito en inglés. Escribí en inglés. Getting pregnant is not forever. The system will not dominate forever. Being broke is not forever. Losing your job is not forever. A wall blocking your way through success is not forever. Getting wasted is not forever. Getting high is not forever. Getting caught is not forever. Having good sex is not forever. Living in the streets is not forever. Having a bitch or an asshole as your couple is not forever. Kissing doesn't last forever. A sexy body is not forever. Relationships are not forever. Love is not forever. You are not forever. Life is not forever. So, live. True facts about life. Lisanna Sinatra.